What's cracking, White Tee? What's cracking, White Tee? Back again with another video. It's currently snowing in February. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
What time it is? What time it is? What time it is? It's currently like 2. You know what I'm saying? Look at the whiskey. All cold and icy. White Tee. Where we going? Where are we going?
I don't know.
Where are we going?
Walmart.
Yeah. Catch up with y'all at Walmart. So we goes to Wally World, buddy. Oh, that's snow. And Wally World down there, boys. Ain't that right? Yes, sir. Look at that. Oh, that's snow. That beautiful sun. Jesus. Red light needed to turn green, huh? That boy's flying. Side. Come on, big dog. We got places to be here, right? We got places to be. Gotta drive with precaution with this icy ice. Lena. You're walking with the little eye. ¿Lista para ir al Wally World? ¿Qué?
Que le tome foto ahí.
No hay nada ahí.
Eso no es todo. Rosa con florero, más uno, más 2 fresas cubiertas de chocolate, solo $13. Demuestra ese amor que tiene por ese.
Boy. What's up? We live.
Ah, está más chévere, mi amor.
Yeah, we live, big dog. That's on red alert.
They might get on your ass,
Huh?
I thought, oh, that always looking at you, bro.
Which one, that girl?
Yeah, the dark car.
What she say?
She is passed by and she weak.
Winked at you?
Not you.
Nah, you tripping. She winked at you.
Hell no.
She wanted them little green eyes.
It's too
We're
early
gonna
for
break
this
you
shit.
to see.
It's too early.
This place is hot with the workers. What do they do? Boy, stay driving stuff when I always come to this stuff. God, ain't that right?
What you say?
That boy stay getting stuff whenever he would go to the store. Look at him. Damn. We got himself some donuts. God. So we go to the toy section. Oh, phone.
What up, partner?
Man, this Walmart's full of civilians. It's full of NPCs. The Walmart's full of NPCs. Fucking full of NPCs. Hold up. So we go to the toy section.
No. I'm buying myself.
What?
You want to make $25 off that bag at school.
Why are you gonna sell product?
I'm that smuggler. You know, we're
How
gonna
much-
make that bank
How much you gonna sell them for?
$1. You know,
$1?
we get 25 back, and then I
You
buy them
gonna,
over.
you gonna flip that cash at school?
Yeah, I'm gonna make that bank.
So you a hustler?
Yeah.
You pushing P?
Yeah.
You pushing D?
Pushing P, man.
Oh, crusty ass boy. Show us a fit. Show us a fit. What?
What was that?
Hold up. We got NPCs in here, but here, grab the camera. Show them my fit. Show them my fit. Yeah, we stepping on here. Hold up. Sure, we got NPCs coming. We got full of NPCs back there, but damn, bro, they finished all the glizzies. They finished all type of shit.
Man, all that bologna gone, man. Look, all that lunch meat.
God, done took everything.
No, that's crazy.
Damn, guys. I didn't even know it was glizzy season. All them glizzies gone. I don't think my mom likes the cams. Look, all the chips is gone too. Fuck it. Give me some. Do we have to get chips? What are that? All the chips are gone, cuz. What you getting?
Chips in the bottle over there.
They don't got my favorite family. Doritos. You know what I'm talking about, right? Them spicy Doritos.
All the NPCs. What you gonna get?
I was gonna get the Doritos, but they're all gone.
They all gone?
Yeah, the spicy one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Damn, we're gonna have this one spicy Doritos. We done finished them all. So where we gonna get them? Damn, man.
Yeah.
Full of NPCs. God. I ain't getting Doritos. I'm getting chocolates. But they done finished everything else. Damn, I'm full of NPCs. Huh?
The Fritos.
Fritos is down there, lady. I don't know, bro. What's up? Where my chocolates at? Where my chocolates at? Oh, yeah. Huh? What?
They're calling to your side.
Who?
The other side behind you.
What?
Behind you.
Recording?
Huh?
Recording?
Nah. I said they're looking at you.
Oh, cool. I'm over here. What?
I know what you want.
No, dude.
You want
tripping.
that?
No boy tripping.
You want that banana?
Nobody told me about the glizzy problem. I guess they wanted to make sure they had a glizzy before they died in the snow.
That's just wrong. That's wrong.
Hey, leave that shit right there, boy.
Just that protein.
That's wrong. What are you talking?
That boy really got that.
Isn't that wrong?
Creamy
It's
chicken.
on somewhere. It's on somewhere, boy.
It's protein, you know. I'm
We gotta keep the camera low because we don't want to get kicked out of here, huh?
a weightlifter. You know.
God. Oh, God. I think I'm gonna go over there to the toy section.
150.
¿Qué?
500.
¿Qué?
Pensé que estaban agarrando la carne.
Sí, mira.
Chicken.
Chicken.
La carne está hasta allá. Si es para agarrar ice cream. Dije que no agarrara.
Dijo que agarrara todo lo que quería.
Alright, guys, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna get kicked out because there's so many NPCs, and you know NPCs be tripping. They be trying to get a dude kicked out for recording, so I'm trying to be careful out here. Then I'll find a product I'm gonna buy so I can play with the boys. That's it right now. I'm looking at it. Should I buy it or not, guys? Let me know down below. The Xbox Series says. Boy said I should. God damn. Forza cost so damn much. Forza, $100 for Forza? Hold up.
That's premium.
You're tripping. I don't care. I'll get premium. Hold up. I need that 12 months though.
There's the other one.
Huh? Damn.
How my hair looking? Yeah, it looks nice.
What's the book now? Oh, look at them.
I'm gonna cop these. I'm gonna cop these.
Let me see them. They're wireless.
Look, in this Apple.
That's the AirPods.
These them new ones.
God, I don't believe.
Groove on, my boy. My boy.
But then I think they're kind of sexy. I ain't gonna lie.
that clear case on top. You see that?
Hey, where Roblox at?
Look that.
Should we go to the toy section?
We want to go to the blue section.
Let's go.
Bug section is right there.
Oh
You
my
could have
God.
gone by yourself.
I did.
Then why you want us to go? God, let's go to the bug section. It is. Gosh, it's NPCs. Gosh, it's NPC right there. What do you want to come here
I
for?
read these two already.
What do you want to come here for?
Into the.
Yeah, I'm skinny in real life.
I'm thinking about it. Get out to the toy section, no cap.
Yeah, you go.
It's a lot of NPCs. It's all fun and games to a worker catching it. It's a worker down there. Can't see it, but it's a worker down there. Which tricycle? This one?
Oh, there's money. Well,
Should I
do you
put it?
have jump off here?
Let's see. What this man doing?
You think they'll break?
No. Man is riding that motherfucker.
There's some people.
They have to jump off.
Nah, bro. I ain't trying to get kicked out. Huh?
Jump off.
Oh, damn. He's trying to follow me.
Let's get on the bike.
You have jump off?
Shit. I don't have it. That thing trying to follow me. Hold up. That little thing. Damn, little thing. Huh?
You
Yeah, at least they know shortage on bicycles,
I want
right?
a yellow bike.
Yeah.
Anybody ask you if you're going on a yellow bike?
I want a yellow bike.
Too bad. Don't break that thing.
But there's only yellow bikes here.
There's only blue bikes, purple bikes. There ain't no yellow bikes, man.
What the fuck? I'm getting a 15 and a 20.
It's what's your deadlift?
Huh?
How much can you deadlift?
My deadlift? I got 275.
Tab. That's light work. I lift 500 on each arm.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit.
Boy. Ain't no 500 right
Yeah. Tripping.
How much is this?
Should we end the vlog here? Should we end the vlog out? We made it home, ladies and gents. End the video. End the video. Say something.
That's gonna be the end, you know? We back home. Teleported.
Teleported. Alright then guys, I'm gonna end the video right here.
Like and
See you on the next
subscribe.
video.